Bye, Cebu! After 2 days of tropical vibes, it's time to head back to Manila on PR1862. But hunties, this flight was about to be epic! So stay tuned! As I was minding my business in the priority lane, when the ground staff stopped me in my tracks. I thought I was in trouble, but honey, I'm great. Welcome to Comfort Class. How shala is this? But the boarding gate is not shala at all. I got this 31K seat in the economy class, with this view inside the Airbus A321neo. With a very spacious seat pitch, we had a little delay due to Manila congestion. Typical, but let's talk about the safety demo. The audio started, but hunties, where is the flight attendant? Yoo-hoo! I couldn't see anyone in front of us. Pushback started immediately after the safety demo. It took us some time to get this jig started. But hunties, eventually we made it into the finale. And at 8:18 p.m., we finally took off for this 8 o'clock flight. Pwede na rin. Bye, Cebu! By the way, if you're new here on Tea on Things, where we talk all tea and a little bit of shade on tech, trends, travel, and taste, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe so you will always be updated on all of my reviews on gadgets, travel, food, and flights. Enjoy this nightscape of Cebu. You can see the Cordova Highway. Once we were up, the service began. We were served a cold Chicken Waldorf Croissant sandwich. A Waldorf Croissant on a 1 hour flight? How shala, diba? And it's even paired with hot tea to keep it classier. Love it. But a quick reality check for my hunties. Even in comfort class, you're still using the economy lavatory. Stay humble, everyone. It's not Christmas Day every day. And even for this less than 1.5 hour flight, you get this in-flight monitor. Sana naman kahit sa mas mahabang flight like the one going to Ho Chi Minh, meron din ganito, di ba? Pal, baka naman, please. At least you can watch some movies, TV show, listen to music, and even check your flight information. Shala, right? An hour after departure from Cebu, we started our initial descent to NAIA International Airport in Manila. I cannot help but wonder, Philippine Airlines has the capability or at least the capacity to do good in their flights. I just wonder why they keep on using those old A321 airplane that clearly requires refurbishing. I mean, if they can afford to use this kind of aircraft for a domestic flight, why not they do this for their regional and international flights, diba? I would surely love that and will always look forward to taking Philippine Airlines flight. Luckily, it was a pleasant surprise for me for this flight. To the flight gods, please continue to upgrade me in my next flight. Anyway, here we are approaching Ninoy Aquino International Airport or the Manila International Airport. Touchdown at 9:21 p.m.
Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. Time check is 21 minutes past the hour of 9 in the evening, and the date today is the 10th of June 2020. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoyed the surprise in this flight video. And now you know how it looks like in the premium economy or comfort class in a domestic flight of Philippine Airlines. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I hope to see you in the next video. See you and bye!